Welcome back to my channel. This is Easy from RZ Easy Customizer. We build, we share, and we inspire you guys. Today we're gonna check out not one but two plastic model kit by Bandai, and these are the Figurized Standard, the S-Force Ikawa Sakura, the Spark, and the other one here we have the S-Force Butterfly. Get this kit and more from Uncle Chen Workshop. The links of his Facebook page and Shopee in the description down below. They are actually the characters from a mobile game called the S-Force by Tencent Game. This is the official game trailer, including the animation with the gameplay of the game. You guys can check that one out more on YouTube. I put the link in the description down below. Box art for this S-Force Ikawa Sakura Spark, and at the top left here we can see this is the logo of the Tencent Game, the mobile game maker, and we have the Figurized Standard S-Force here by Bandai and with the awesome box art. And at the side here you can see this is in Japanese and also in Chinese, and that, and then this side here and this side here. The S-Force Butterfly, you guys can see she's floating in the air. She has a backpack and also comes with a gun here with a white mask like this, very nice looking mask. And at this side here the same, we have a Japanese and the Chinese words here, and also the design of this one and the mask and the poses that you can do. And also at this side and the other side too here, and some pictures from the game. Size comparison with Premam's Girl, Megami Device, Nendoroid, Figurized Standard Ayame, High Grade Gunpla, Nail Shell, GN Wolf 001. These are everything that they comes with. We have this huge Gatling gun right here. For the articulation, this handle can move forward and backward like that, and this thing can rotate. We have this open hand and also the grabby hand stickers, and lastly we have this one right here, skin trial card. So you will get a code inside. For the butterfly we have this gun, open hand, and the grabby hand, and action base with the extender sticker like this. S-Force skin trial card for this type of skin. The articulations for Ikawa Sakura can move up and down, side to side, and this is using a ball joint. For the arm, this one is using a ball joint, so you can make one full rotation, bend about that much, can go up and down like so. There's a movement here too. For this hand, can move up and down, you can make one full rotation like so. The upper body part can move forward, backward that much, side to side like so. Here can move forward, backward, you can move up and down. Then this part can high kick back here, bend like that, and like so, and can do pivot and can make one full rotation like that. For the backpack, we have a hole at the back here, and also there's the two packs. We have this missile launcher. This part can make one full rotation here, and this part here also can move a bit. We have the ball joint, so you can move like that. As you can see, there's a hole at the back here, and so go this back and just simply slide this in like that, and we have the backpack. For the butterfly here, let's start with her hat. She has this tiny ponytail at the back, and this is actually using a very small ball joint, so it can move a bit. Then it can make one full rotation like that, and then the head can move up about that far, well, that much, down, side to side, and then can make one full rotation. For the arm here, she is using a ball joint, so you can make one full rotation and up and down and bend about that much. A movement for this hand. For the upper part is like so, side to side here, can move forward and backward. For this leg here, this is using the same ball joint size, up and down like so. Kick that much, back movement like this, bend about that much, and this one can move like that, like so, and can do pivot. At the back here we have a twin weapon, can move forward like that, and same goes with this one here, like so. This is the backpack for the butterfly. This wing here can move like that and like so, forward, backward, and make one full rotation. And then this piece here can move forward a bit. There's a move. And we have the thrusters down here, 2 packs to attach at the back here. There we go, just like that. To use this action base, turn around and you will find a hole at the back here, and just simply slide this one in like that, and we have the butterfly floating in the air. Overall, the build of this plastic model kits are okay, but I really like the weapons and the accessories more compared to the armor design. I don't know what is your opinion and what do you think about the armor design, but to me the armor design is so plain and I don't really a fan of it. Plus the articulation are so limited, and if you guys compare it with the Megami device, the frame up skill, the variable fighter girl, they have better articulation compared to this one. But if you guys a fan of S-Force game, you guys better get this one as a part of your collection.
That's all the video for today. I hope you guys enjoy watching it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and also share my contents. You guys can also check out my Facebook page as well, RZ Easy Customizer. The links are in description down below. I do customizing, I do kit bashing, a lot of stuff with plastic model kit. Thank you very much for watching this video here on RZ Easy Customizer. We build, we share, and we're inspired. So that's all for me today. Check out. Bye.